A woman is behind bars after police say she shot her boyfriend because he was snoring loudly. Troy Campbell with that story.
It's so stupid, so bizarre that I can't imagine that kind of behavior.
To hear that it was over him snoring is kind of shocking. It's kind of crazy.
Neighbors in Brevard County reacting to the arrest of 47-year-old Lori Morin, charged with attempted murder after deputies say she shot her boyfriend of 3 weeks during an argument about the victim's loud snoring. According to court documents, the victim even showed up to the house on Wednesday with breathing nose strips in an attempt to silence the problem. After a night of drinking, the sheriff's office says Morin fired a single shot, hitting the victim on his side torso.
That's crazy. I don't care how mad you are, you shouldn't be grabbing a gun unless your life's threatened. So that's definitely.
Detectives say Morin initially said the shooting was accidental. Her neighbors say he watched as officers arrested her on Thursday.
And she pulled in, and then all the cars came rushing out of every direction.
Troy Campbell reporting police say Morin used a shotgun to shoot her boyfriend tonight. He is listed in stable condition.